In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Excel sheet on a SharePoint page. This is a fantastic way to share interactive data with your team or audience right on your SharePoint portal. Let's jump straight into it and walk through this process together. First, let's open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft SharePoint. This software is a powerful tool for collaboration and information management, perfect for sharing Excel data in a way that's both accessible and secure. Once you've initiated the search and reached the Microsoft SharePoint website, look for the Sign In option. Click on Sign In, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials if you're not already logged in automatically. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, the site may recognize you right away and log you in automatically. In case you're not signed in already, simply type in your email address and follow it up with your password to gain access. Once logged in, it's time to open your SharePoint site. Navigate through your list of available sites to select the one you want to work on today. After accessing your site, find the specific page you wish to enhance with your Excel sheet and enter Edit mode. To do this, look for the Edit button or option. This will usually be in the upper right corner of the page. While in Edit mode, look for the plus sign on your page. Clicking this icon allows you to add a web part, which is a modular component for SharePoint pages. You're specifically looking for the File and Media web part, so use the search function to locate it quickly. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. Now, you'll need to select your Excel file. Browse through your OneDrive or, if applicable, your SharePoint document library to locate the specific Excel file you want to embed. Once you find the file, go ahead and select it. With the file selected, you will need to click the Insert button. This action embeds the Excel sheet directly into your SharePoint page. It's a simple yet effective way to integrate dynamic content without having to leave the page. Finally, all that's left to do is to make sure others can access the new content. Click Publish, and there you have it. The embedded Excel sheet is now visible to your viewers on the SharePoint page. By following these steps, you've successfully shared your insights in an easy-to-access format that aligns perfectly with your site's needs. This approach not only makes your SharePoint page more informative, but also enhances user engagement by allowing interaction with live data. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.